Today, we're going to tackle a common issue faced when trying to access a newly deployed Windows server on ESXi 7.0 U3. Specifically, the problem of not being able to send CTRL+ALT+DEL. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Alright, let's log into our ESXi host. Inside the host, we have a Windows Server 2016 running. I'll try accessing it through the browser console. On the virtual machine, heading to Actions and selecting Send CTRL+ALT+DEL. But wait, nothing's happening. Let's try opening the console in a new window. Same result. And even in a new tab, still no luck. Now, we're left with one option. Before launching the remote console, we need to download and install the VMware Remote Console tool from the official VMware site. I'm using a Windows-based jump server, so I'll download the VMware Remote Console for Windows. Once the download is complete, just run the installer. It's a straightforward process. Now that we have the VMware Remote Console installed, let's launch the Remote Console. I'll find my Windows server in the list, right-click, and select Open Remote Console. You can now successfully unlock your Windows server using the CTRL+ALT+DEL. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.